Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How much MiraLAX should I take to clean my colon? Mix 64 ounces of liquid with 8.3 ounces MiraLAX and place in the refrigerator. Do not add ice. Between 5 and 6 p.m., drink 1 8-ounce glass of the MiraLAX Gatorade solution and continue drinking 1 8-ounce glass every 15 minutes thereafter until half the mixture, 32 ounces, is gone. Which laxative is best for impacted stool? Stimulant laxatives such as bisacodyl and cascara trigger contractions in the bowels that push the stool along. When bowel movements are slow, some people really do need stimulant laxatives, Dr. Wolf says. The first choice she recommends is a senna-based stimulant laxative.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.